Today we come up with a method to join two live edge boards together. For an upcoming project, I would like to create a frame from live edge oak. Building this frame is tricky. You obviously can't join the pieces with a butt joint as one of the sides isn't straight. So we have to connect the two pieces with a mitred joint. As the width of the two pieces is different, a simple 45° will leave us with an ugly gap. We can eliminate the gap by connecting the outside and the inside corner with a straight line. This looks okay for one corner, but it's going to look totally weird if all four corners have a different angle. It looks weird because it is very easy for our brain to spot the different angles of the four lines. So the idea is to disguise the difference in the angle by replacing the straight line with a curve, a wavy line. Now let's create this joint. I start by drawing an arbitrary curve on a piece of scrap wood. On the bandsaw, I follow the line and smooth out the shape on the belt sander. Next, we create a matching template. I use the same method that I've used in my dollhouse river table. I will leave a link to that video that contains a detailed explanation of the process. With a 17mm guide bushing and a 5mm router bit, I cut a temporary template. By following this shape with a 30mm guide bushing and an 8mm router bit, we get a template that matches the first one we created. To use the template, we first mark the inside corner of both pieces. We then position the first half of the template so that it connects the inside and the outside corner. With some double stick tape, we hold it in place while marking the straight edge of the wood on the back side of the template. After clamping the template firmly to the wood, I use this short router bit with a bearing at the top to remove half of the material thickness. Now we remove the template and put it next to the matching one. With a square, we transfer the line to the back side of the second template. With more double stick tape, the second piece of wood is secured to the second template. This time, we trim the wood flush with the template. Lastly, we remove the live edge from this area in piece 1. On the second piece, we remove the respective area on the underside. We can then glue the joint together. To me, this looks great and it is a very strong joint. The one thing you have to watch out for is the shape of the bark. Here it runs a bit too high. I fixed this in another test piece. If you like this video and want to keep up with new projects, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for a look at future projects.